This is our third video to review just some new signs that we learned at our ASL class. So if you have your papers, it's lesson 3. And I'm going to start with all of our new words that we learned. And the first word is the word all. There's 2 ways to sign it. Most of the time you're going to see all. So your dominant hand is the one moving, your non-dominant hand is not. And it just goes all the way around it and touches when you get to the front. All. All. You'll also see it lexicalized, which is just a different version of the word, and it's all. A-L-L, all. And that's directional, which means that I can do it towards a group. So if I was talking about all of you over there, I could say all. All. Or if I had a list on my hand, all. Next is the word ask. So ask is like flicking your pointer finger towards somebody. So this is directional. So if I wanted to ask somebody over there, ask. If I was asking you, ask. You're asking me, ask. It flicks. It like does a little curve and flick. Versus asking a question like this. This is like really, 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 really. Or another way to say it, like if you're doing request, ask. And that's almost like pray, right? Request, ask. Next is the sign bad. Bad starts at your chin and your hand turns bad. Bad. On the side, bad. You'll also see it very common without the non-dominant hand, bad. Bad. So it just starts at your chin and your hand flips. Next is bathroom. It's a T, like toilet, bathroom, and just shaking it. You'll also sometimes see restroom, but normally you'll just see a T, and that means bathroom or it means toilet. Next is big. You'll normally see big with this hand shape. It's like your thumb and your index fingers. Big, big. You can also do it with your whole hands. Big, big. Up next is city. Remember, it looks like the rooftops. City. So you start on one side. I start on my non-dominant side. City, city. Versus if you do it multiple times, community, community. Up next is class. So it's C hand shape on both hands. Start with your thumbs together and wrap around to put your hands together. Class, class. Up next is the word come. So you take your 2 fingers and you're pointing them towards yourself. Come. Like, come to class. Come. Come. Next we have like. It's your middle finger and your thumb. Like. And they're just connecting. Like. Like. And then remember to negate it, which means don't like, you throw it away. Don't like. Don't like. And your face is going to match that. Don't like. Next is family. It's the same motion as class, but you're going to use an F hand shape. Family. Family. So you start with your thumbs and index fingers touching. Family. Family. Next is favorite, which also means prefer. And it's your middle finger touching your chin. Favorite. Or prefer. Like, that is my favorite. Next is the word fine. It's an open 5 hand shape on your chest, and you just tap it a couple times. Fine. 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 I think I said this in the last video, but if you can hear my cat meowing at the door, I'm sorry. Next is from. So your non-dominant hand is just an index finger that's not moving. And your dominant hand's going to start on your index finger, and you're going to bend your finger as you move away. From. 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 Next is go. So this is the opposite of come. So come was towards you. Go is away from you. Go. Go. Next is good. So if you remember, bad was turning your hand. Good, you just leave your hand face up. Good. Good. You can do it without this hand. Good. Good. Here is your open hands, and you're just kind of like, to me, it's just gesturing to the place that you're at. Here. 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 It's good here. Next is house. You're just making the shape of your house. Roof, walls. House. House. Next is more. I think this is one that everybody teaches their babies. It's like your bent or your smushed O hand shape, and you're just touching your fingers to each other. More. Need. You have your X hand shape. Need. Need. Or one time, have to or must. So bathroom, I need, or bathroom, I have to. School is 2 hand shapes, 2 5 hand shapes, and you're just clapping. School. I think it's 2 taps. School. School. Next is so, and it's your hand shaking. So. How are you? It means like, I'm okay. I'm so. Small. Your hands, small. My cat's not happy with me. Think. Your 2 fingers. Think. You can do it with one hand. Think. Or wonder. You'll see this a lot in interpreting. They'll use their hands. It's like a bent O hand shape, and your fingers are wiggling. Wonder. Or you can do it with one hand. Wonder. Raised, like I was raised, is starting with a kid, growing up. Raised. Or if you're talking about animals, raise. Because animals don't grow taller, they grow bigger, right? Raised. Want, your hands, it's like a open 5 hand shape. Want. Like gimme. Want. Or if you want to negate it, don't want, you throw it away. Don't want. Want. Don't want. There's also some sentences down here. If y'all want me to go over those really quick. Ask that person their name. You would direction to the person. So if the person was over there, ask name. Ask name. But it's directional. So if the person was over here, do it that way, right? And if the person's not in the room, then you have to establish where the person is. So you would have to establish that they were over here before you could say ask. What city do you live in? You live city? You live city? And because you're asking a question, your eyebrows will go down. I didn't do that. You live city? You like to learn sign. Do you like to learn sign? You would sign you like learn sign. You like learn sign. Is your house big? Your house big? Your house big? And how many children do you have? Children. How many you? Children, how many you? There's some more sentences on there if y'all want to practice those. I think that would be really awesome. And I will not be there next week. I'll be at Deaf Quake, but I'll see you in 2 weeks. So I hope y'all have fun. Bye.